The failed to connect error in Lorex Cloud arises from disruptions between your Lorex camera/NVR, the cloud server, and the Lorex app. As of November 2025, issues persist for 20 to 30% of users. This is despite Lorex's efforts, including firmware version 4.2, enhanced cloud stability, and app version 8.5, better diagnostics. Common causes are network issues 60%, app device misconfiguration 25%, and server-side problems 15%. Key factors include stable Wi-Fi with proper port forwarding, ports 80, 443, 554, correct app permissions, and internet speed, minimum 5 Mbps upload-download. Avoid VPNs. Start troubleshooting by ensuring the camera is online locally via the NVR interface. To fix failed to connect, verify your network configuration, ensuring correct port forwarding and firewall settings. Check app permissions and ensure your Lorex account is synced. Power cycle devices, reset the router, or use the Lorex app's network test tool. Upgrade older camera models pre-2020 if necessary. Look out for trends such as hybrid cloud local systems and AI-powered edge computing to reduce cloud dependency. Lorex plans to adopt mesh networking technologies like Matter by 2026 to cut connection errors. Stay updated via Lorex's official site and forums.